What is instructional technology? Does it mean computing?
Not exactly. Instructional technology is not limited to hardware. It is made up of the things of learning, the devices and the materials which are used in the process of learning and teaching. It is an effort with or without machines, a combination of human and non-human resources to bring about more effective instruction. Therefore, in teaching and learning, instructional technology is the mind tool for students and an instructional tool for teachers.
As using technology in teaching and learning is such a new trend, when should we use it?
Good question, Claire. But why don't we listen to what Dr. Reagan has to say?
When we understand the potential and limitations, that is, when we understand why we're not using an overhead rather than a computer system, when we can make that distinction in our minds, when we have a clear definition of what the requirements are for the students, what will the students be required to use in the program, and when we understand the instructional activities that support the mental engagement of the student. That is, when we concentrate on what the learning outcomes are, not when we concentrate on the technology.
Then when is technology good for teaching and learning?
Well, as Dr.
And mold that and do the artistry to create it for the classroom.
Undoubtedly, the effective use of instructional technology can bring creative idea of teaching, making education more productive and more powerful. However, we must remember that interpersonal communication between the teacher and the students essentially plays a very important role, because teaching is basically a communication process. It needs the involvement and interaction between the two parties, as well as careful selection and effective utilization of the technologies. As tertiary teachers, we must find ways and means to enhance the educational experience.